Okay, so here's our CPU right here. It's AMD. We have the motherboard, I don't know, case thingy, motherboard screws, power supply screws, power supplies back here. Here's the RAM, the graphics card screw, the heatsink fan, the DVD drive, the hard drive connectors, whatever, in our case. And we already mounted the hard drive because it's hard to install. So we're gonna
also got a screwdriver.
Yeah, and a
handy
red one right here. So we're gonna start by placing in the CPU. So get in close so you can see this little arrow. I'm just gonna place it into this little arrow you see here. With that, you've mounted your CPU. And you just want to close this little thing right here. And you got it. Now, to mount the CPU fan, and this just easily just sits right on here. Pretty sure it's the power connector is, there's a fan power connector. We'll find it. Pretty sure it's there it is. It's right there. So I'm just gonna place it on here. It should just fit right in. And then you want to connect this, and then you want to pull up to lock it in place. You want to do this, and then push this to lock it in place. Wait, we did that wrong. To push down quite hard. And then I think you're ready. You got this in, then you should lock it in place. There we go. Now here's the power connector, and you see where we plugged that in. Plug it in right here. There we go. Now we're going to mount the RAM. Here's the RAM. By doing this, you want to simply pull back these levers right here. I'm going to use this one right here. Pull them back.
Doesn't matter which one you use.
You can see these notches right here. It easily lines up with the thing right here. You just push it in until these notches lock. There we go. Now that's installed. Whew. Okay. Next, we're going to install the
power
supply. Actually, we should mount in the DVD drive while we're at it.
That probably would be easier.
Yeah. So we're just gonna place this in here and just slide in. Should just simply slide in like that. Oh yeah, I think you put it through the front. I'm pretty sure.
Put it through the front?
Yeah.
Usually you put it inside the case.
We're having a little problem. There we go. Usually put it in the front.
Where's the screws? Where's the screws for it?
Should pop in here. I don't know why it's not. This is annoying. There we go. And just line up the. And I need to go get a screw for that. I'll be right back. Okay, got the screws here. It's a little.
Two, right?
It's a little like pushed.
There you go.
It's a little weird, but it'll work. So these are our screws. I need the red screwdriver here.
It's smaller.
And just simply screws them in to lock the drive in place. a little difficult. Screws kind of like bump around and stuff. There we go. Okay. We have a freaking driver thing mounted. There. Okay. Now we mounted power supply. So we got our power supply right here.
Stick the cables
Not
through.
sure which way this goes. Here, I got the cables.
Sure?
Yeah. Pretty sure
Oh,
it
wait.
goes this way. Right?
Yeah.
There we go. And we just simply screw in those things right there.
Now let's pass you one.
Okay. You see, you mount it up right
This
here.
before.
It's a little difficult. This is all live, so there's no like editing, and so if we screw up, we might.
Screw up.
Yeah. Thanks. So you're getting it all on camera?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Just like looking up to the ceiling the whole time.
This is way better tutorial, isn't it?
And the other one.
The hard part is to get the motherboard in. All these cables and stuff in the way.
Cable management.
I'm just gonna stuff these cables in here. Just get the cables out of the way while placing the motherboard. Because CPU, it already comes in with mounted standoffs, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, we're gonna mount in the CPU. Could you hold this back? Here. What? Oh yeah, we have to mount this thing first. It's the motherboard cover. By doing this, you simply push back here. It should just simply pop into place. It's a little difficult. It's a little weird. But having some difficulties. It's a little weird. I would just say that. Not even sure. Oh gosh. I'm not sure if it goes this way. Oh yeah, I had the wrong way.
Oh, I hate that scraping noise.
There we go. I should do this for this side too. Okay. Now the hard part. Placing in the motherboard.
Super careful with this.
Could you move that cord out of the way, please? Thanks. And your fingers, I'm just going to hold it from the CPU fan, just because it's easier to mount it. It's a little difficult to get that in there exactly, but... Okay, I think that's as close as you can get to it. The hard part is mounting